Welcome back again. Hopefully, if you're here in this video, that means you have already filled out the form linked up there and you're ready to move on to the next series of questions. For this video, we're still working with hypothesis 1, which is that every riser along a water level lie along the same horizontal plane. Let's move on now to the green water level, and I have once again labeled 4 locations, this time E, F, G, and H. And this time I will again be asking, what are the coordinates of those 4 points? The green water level, plane P2, is 5 meters above the reference plane, just like the red one was. So there's your link up there, and it will also be down in the description right down there. So just jump into that link and provide those 4 coordinates. And that's it for this video. Just jump in there, provide those 4 answers, and then I'll see you in the next video right there.